In this part, I'm going to explain how to switch between the drawings. To switch between drawing, just open any drawing of the active project. Then, from the Tools panel of the Project tab, select the previous DWG or Next One tool. The open drawing will be closed. The another drawing which you requested will open, and in the project list will be shown in bold text. Now I want to explain about removing a drawing from a project. To do so, in the Project Manager, just right-click on the drawing name and select the Remove option. At this moment, you can choose Yes button and finally the drawing will be removed. Note that it will not be deleted from the folder it is stored.